Guys, I think my 2024 YZ125 is ready to go. I'm just doing some final checks, making sure chain tension's good. Got all the bolts tight. Everything's looking good so far. But yeah, look at this build, turned out really good. I mean, that is sweet. So check out the detail. Right, let's go and start back here. We've got our Sunstar Works triple star sprocket, DID ERT3 chain. Got my Hammerhead shifter. Now that's 20 millimeters longer than stock. My AS3 chain guard or case guard. Boyesen Factory racing cover, clutch cover. I've completely rejetted the carb with the JD jetting kit. I got my VHM head with the high compression dome in it. I mean, it's a sweet build. Look at that. So again, just checking all the chain tension, all the bolts, everything's torqued to spec. I've got everything the way I want it. I've got everything set perfectly. So it's ready for the first ride. Let's go have a look at the other side. All right, check it out, guys, from the rear of the bike. Again, a super clean build. Little tiny silencer tucked in there, and it's gonna sound good. It's gonna sound really good. You guys are gonna love this ride video and the first start video that's coming. Again, this is my 50th anniversary edition, 2024 YZ125, and it's ready to go in every sense. Yeah, I got some running some Renthal soft full diamond grips, really comfy. Got my Works connection bleeders. Decal Works is always what I go with on my graphics. Pretty simple graphics on this particular setup. But yeah, there it is. Look at that. Does it get much better? 50th anniversary. And it's about how long I've been riding dirt bikes. And I started on a YZ125, YZ80, YZ125. I've owned many of these. Why do I keep coming back? Well, look at it. These things are awesome. Super simple, fun, just a great bike. Can't wait to ride it. Guys, what else could I do? It's the bike to have. If you're into a 125 T-stroke, this is an awesome little bike for the price. Anyway, let's keep checking it out, make sure it's ready for the ride. Check out the other side in more detail and show you that pipe. All right, just having a look over here at the other side. Again, just making sure everything's nice and tight. The build turned out really good. I'm super happy with how it turned out. These Yamahas are really easy to work on. It's one thing I really like about them. But yeah, this thing looks really good. I'm hoping it runs just as good with that jetting exhaust. So we got the FMF exhaust on here. Right, it looks really good. And hopefully it performs really good. Checking all the bolts on there, it fit fine. It's a little tight in some spots, but it generally fits really good. And I'm happy with the way it turned out. Just looking at some of the detail here. So if you guys want to see this bike in action, I'm going to get some good spring riding in, and I'm hoping it runs as good as it looks. But this is a 50th anniversary edition YZ125. FMF's 50th too. It's actually 51 for them. 1973, 1974. So 50 years between those two companies. And I've been with them the whole time. Again, let's get this thing out and ride it. Hope you guys like this build. I think it's really good. I'm super happy with it. Probably one of the best builds I've ever had on a dirt bike right here. This is a keeper. So stay tuned for some riding, guys. Let me know if you have any questions about this build, want to know any of the details, and we'll see you out on the trails and on the track soon.